Oh, for God's sake. I'm just getting the drone ready. I'm just spilt my beer all down there. Serves you righties, they say. Alright, I'm just going to show you the beach.
Take off.
Right, I'll show you where we are. Right, everything's recording, yes. But look at this beautiful beach. Must be a mile long, or 2 miles long. Now I've got a weepy eye. Oh dear. It's not like I complain much. So we're camped right down the bottom. Free wild camping. And everybody here is wonderful. Nice people.
Fine.
What a place to camp, eh? Is the tide going out?
Yeah.
Tide's going out, Paul said. Paul went for a swim, and of course it's too shallow. I offered him some wet wipes, but he wouldn't take them. He said he was going to lick himself clean. Like a cat. Get away! Oh, get away! You dirty, horrible thing.
Oh, a bit of smoke.
He was going to hit me with a wet cloth. See the things I have to put up with.
Check out all the smoke, guys. Is it powered up?
Right, that's far enough. We'll come back.
Stone again and sand again. But you can walk for miles out into the sea there, and it'll only be up to your knees. So it's great for the kids.
Yeah.
The temperature's good. Mid-July. Talking about 18, 19
Flying low's a lot better because there's less wind down here.
That's cozy. That's cozy. Really.
What a place to fly a FPV drone would be brilliant. You could do some really good FPV drone flying here.
Look at that. That's beautiful. Hi, Mom. I love waterfalls. We've got my blanket as a pillow here. We've got this sleeping bag. We've got some nice little rugs that not stay down. And these little things I think are blankets that are warm. Yeah, I've got my iPad.
Right,
Okay.
we're back. I'll show you the tents.
And we've got my cozy blanket thing, which is wonderful.
My tent's on the right, Paul's tent's on the left.
When I put it on, it's gonna be so comfortable in the world.
Right, our first campsite. I've drenched my tent in beer, but then I boiled some water, then I burnt my hand. I drenched my drain bag over there, wet everything over there. Let's see what Paul's doing. My God, look at Paul's tent. What a mess.
Nice and dry, that's the thing.
Look, it's all messy.
Doesn't smell like a brewery.
You saying I smell like a brewery?
Tent does. Look, I was going to go deep sea diving. It's only up to my ankles, miles out.
What's all this?
Dinner. Have to keep it.
What are you having for dinner?
My insulin test.
What are you having for dinner?
No, I've had it.
Oh,
Sausage roll, all gone.
all gone. Do you want some more sausage rolls? I've got some.
No, I'm fine, run off.
Look at Paul's tent.
And I got my coffee.
I'll show you inside of my tent. It's neat. It's not messy like Paul's. Look how neat my tent is. Apart from drenching it in lager. If I get stopped by the police tomorrow and smell me, tide's going out. No, I'm not going paddling. No, it's cold. The sea's cold. Who wants to get wet? There's Aaron over there, look. Beautiful. There we go. Oh my God. I didn't have a good night's sleep. Oh. Kept waking up. Noise. After 12 o'clock it was not too bad. This is the view this morning. There's Aaron over there. And the sun's rising from over there. These tents aren't suitable. They're just too small. It's supposed to be 2-man tents. Luna 2. Paul's is the same as mine. They're too small, especially if you're over 6 foot.
Morning, everybody.
Ugh.
Did you enjoy your toast then, Rano?
I didn't have any.
Toast with butter and jam.
How did you toast?
Jam came out well.
How did you toast it?
It was good.
How did you toast it?
On the in the pan. It went all right. First time I've done that.
I'm going to put my boots on and go for a walk down the beach. I was thinking of going to Mull, but changed my mind because we're going to do 3 2-night camps. Because unpacking and packing up again is hard work, doing it every day. So we're going to do 3 2-night camps. So we're going to find somewhere nice to camp tonight for 2 nights. Then we're going to leave our stuff in the tents and go around on the bikes. Then we can come back and relax without packing up and unpacking. Then once we've gone up a bit north, after the 2 nights we're going to head back down south again. We've got a cave to visit. Then find another campsite further south. So there is oh God, forgot the name of the island again. Anyway, we're going to end up way over there, but today we're going to be way over north. So we want to be on Arran. We want to be on Arran by Thursday. So we want to do 2-night camp or 1-night camp on Arran. Then we head down towards Galloway Forest. That's sort of the idea, but we were going to camp over there, but there's a memorial site and we couldn't camp there. Well, I wouldn't have camped there anyway out of respect. So what if we can get back up onto the footpath up here? I didn't know it was a memorial thing. As soon as I found out, I left. There's a footpath up here. Oh God, I'm stiff. Oh. I can't walk very far. Look at this. This is terrible. Look. Someone's just dumped their tent and all their rubbish here. Oh my God. That's disgusting. And you wonder why local people get upset. You have this beautiful place and people come down here, what's the word? Trash it. That wasn't the word I was going to use. They trash it. And you wonder why people don't want people to wild camp, because they behave like a bunch of pigs. Disgusting. Anyway, that's it for now. I won't be recording anything else till we start packing up. And the sun's not far away. But when, like I said, if you keep moving, midges don't bother you. So when you stand still, right, I'll sign off for now. I'll catch you later on. Wait for Paul. Yep. You know what Paul's like? It takes ages.
I need a mirror.
He's so vain.
Oh, well. Oh. I know you.
I'm not vain, you are.
I'm not complaining. Hey, we're taking our time.
Yeah, there's no rush. No rush at all. We've got quite a long way to go today. I think it's around about 80 miles to our next campsite, but we don't know where the campsite is till we get there. Don't forget to plug your microphone in. Don't forget to plug your microphone in. Wild camping. The joys of wild camping. You have to double check everything. Double check you've plugged your mic in. Double check you got the power to the camera. Make sure nothing falls off the bike. Are you ready yet? Do you want to be on YouTube?
I don't even look at me on it. Hold on. Shut the door.
Too late, I've filmed you.
Look at me. You too.
Nice meeting you.
You too, take care.
Yeah.
Journey wherever you're in. Enjoy your ferry trip. Right, catch you later.
Bye. Right. Now I need a rubbish bin. Oh, rubbish bin. Rubbish bins. Right. So this is the reality of wild camping. No pretending, not like some of these YouTubers. They glorify it. This is not glorified. Oh God, now what's that stuck in my way? And now my microphone's come loose. Yeah, you see these YouTube channels with their fantastic editing and how good it is. It is good, it's enjoyable, but it's hard work. It really is. Right. Oh. Now I've got a hair in my mouth. Right. Off we go. Let's wait for Paul. Here he comes. Oh, a breeze, lovely. So we've got around about 80 miles to go, I think. was going to look at that church without a roof on it, but I'm going to leave it. You'll see it as I ride past. When I get into the editing, I'll zoom in on it. I have to slow down because I don't know where Paul's gone. It's disappeared. But he's stopped. Yeah, he's stopped somewhere, hasn't he? I'll have to stop and wait for him. Something's come loose or something's not working properly. Well, that took a long time to pack up. I think it was about 2 hours. Here's that church without a roof. Must have caught on fire or something. I'll ride past slowly and I'll zoom in with the editing thing. Yeah. Definitely something's happened to it. It's not that far from one side of the island to the other. Just checking nothing's come loose. I filled up with petrol yesterday, so I don't need any for quite a while. Oh, that cool breeze coming through my jacket. Oh, it's so lovely. So we're going to follow the coastline up to the next port and we get another ferry across to the mainland, then head to Tarbert. A86. So we turn left here. Look at the boats. Ooh, bumpy. It's quite a big yachting marina, that. Tide's out. It's actually nice to get back on the bike and relax. And another good thing, it's not boiling hot like it has been. It's just right. What a beautiful day. Wow. Gorgeous. I wonder what that place is over there. It's like it's got a control tower. Oh, it's a big boat on dry dock. a shipyard. Wow, look at the view over there. It's magnificent. You look on Google Earth and Google Maps and stuff, but when you get here, it's just a different thing completely. It's a big yacht, motorized launch or yacht or whatever you call them, going down the channel. Somebody's a multi-millionaire because that thing will cost a lot of money. There's quite a few yachts coming down there. Well, two. Two yachts. So you don't need a great big bike to do this. Get yourself a 125 motor scooter, put your camping gear on it and just go. I have to say that this Kenko Agility City really handles the weight well. So cheap to run. Cheap road tax, cheap insurance, well it is for me. Not far now, I can see the ferry port. I think it is. Looks like it. So I'm just going to keep the camera running. I might have to pause it if the boat's not there, because we'll have to wait for it to come across. Oh, this is just wonderful. Wow, look over there. Wow. This is just out of this world. It's beautiful. What time is it? 9:47 in the morning. If you haven't been up here, you'll have to come. Even watching somebody else's videos, when you do it yourself, it's completely different. Motorbike. I do.
Really?
Yeah.
Right, right there, right, right down it.
How do I pay? All right, okay. Suzuki. That looks like quite an old one. That looks like it's from the 90s or 80s.
Yeah, itchy boots. The older the bike, the better.
Is that a Suzuki Scrambler or something? I thought you knew your bikes.
No, but I'm not.
Oh, my little finger's hurting.
Helmet off.
Yeah, I'm going to take mine off. Right, we'll come back to you in a minute. Look at this beautiful bike. It's a Suzuki. That's it there. It's brilliant. I won't show the number plate. That's a nice one. Look at the size of the tyres. Don't show the number plate. Look at that. That beauty. I'd like one of those. That'd be cool to ride one of these on dirt tracks. We're just waiting for the ferry to come over from there. Beauties, look at the size of them.
Built for business.
Yeah. Back to scooter land. Hello, scooters. Right, we'll come back to you later.